Hello and welcome to Learn English with the Bible. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to use the word complain in different contexts to keep improving our English. In this channel, we use the Bible to learn new words, phrases, and some grammar. Therefore, I will not keep silent. I will speak out in the anguish of my spirit. I will complain in the bitterness of my soul. Job 7:11. Complain. What is the main meaning of this word? First thing we need to know is to complain is to express our unhappiness about something. It is also to express dissatisfaction or annoyance about something, or to say that something is wrong or is not satisfactory. Therefore, look these examples to keep understanding the meaning of this word. A lot of people have complained about the noise. You are always complaining. If the service was so bad, why didn't you complain to the manager? Workers complain about the condition in which they are forced to work. They feel unhappy about the way they are working. These are some examples of the word complain. Finally, remember that we can use the word complain when we want to express dissatisfaction or when we want to say that something is wrong or is not satisfactory. These are the main meaning of this word. Therefore, I will not keep silent. I will speak out in the anguish of my spirit. I will complain in the bitterness of my soul. Job 7:11. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn English in a different way. Thanks for watching.